Welcome to the Finance Plus Investment. If you've missed the tax deadline in previous years, don't worry. Filing back taxes online is easier than you think. Today, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can get back on track and avoid any penalties. First things first, what are back taxes? Back taxes are simply tax returns from past years that you haven't filed yet. It's crucial to file them to avoid penalties, interest, and potential legal issues. Plus, you might even snag a refund. Step 1. Gather necessary documents. Grab your income statements like W-2S and 1099-S expense records and any previous tax returns. If you're missing any documents, request an IRS wage and income transcript using Form 4506T. Step 2. Access prior year tax forms. Head to the IRS website to download the specific forms for each year you need to file. For instance, you'll need Form 1040 for individual income tax returns and possibly additional schedules for deductions. Step 3. Choose your filing method. There are a few ways to file your back taxes online. 1. IRS Free File. This service is great if you meet specific income thresholds, though it may not support filing for previous years. 1. Tax preparation software. Platforms like TurboTax and TaxSlayer offer step-by-step guidance and integrate with IRS forms to help you file accurately. 1. Professional assistance. If your situation is complex, consider hiring a tax professional for expert help. Step 4. Prepare your tax returns. Make sure each return matches the correct year. Double-check your calculations and attach all necessary schedules and supporting documents. Step 5. File your tax returns. For the current and previous 2 tax years, e-filing is an option. Older returns must be mailed to the IRS along with any payments owed. Step 6. Pay any taxes owed. The IRS offers several payment options: direct pay from your bank account, installment plans, or even an offer in compromise for specific circumstances. Common questions about filing back taxes. What if you don't file? Well, you could face penalties, interest, and enforcement actions like wage garnishments. Missing records? Request IRS transcripts to reconstruct your income. Will filing trigger an audit? Accurate returns reduce this risk, but be honest with your income and deductions. In conclusion, filing back taxes is essential for financial compliance and stability. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to financial peace of mind. Thanks for watching Finance Plus Investment, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more helpful financial tips.